So the problem that we are going to discuss today is from the recent CodeChef Starters 7, and the problem name is chess format. So this is a very easy problem, and hence its difficulty level is cakewalk, and its prerequisites are none. So now let us read the problem statement. So the problem statement is pretty simple. So it is given the time control of a chess game as a plus b, determine which format of chess out of the given four it belongs to. So first format is bullet if a plus b is less than 3, blitz if a plus b is between 3 and 10. Okay. Rapid if a plus b is between 11 and 60, and classical if a plus b is greater than 60. So I think this is a pretty obvious problem that we just have to write four if statements given each of these conditions, and we have to just print the number of the match that it belongs to. So let's just directly go to the implementation part. So starting the implementation here, we have taken input the two integers a and b. We apply the first condition that if a plus b is less than 3, then it is the first case. If a plus b is less than 10, less than equal to 10, then it is the second case. Mind you that we don't have to write the whole condition over here, that a plus b is greater than equal to 3, because if a plus b was not greater than 3, then it would have been covered in this case, right? So just writing this will be enough. The third case is if a plus b is less than equal to 60, and the last case is that if a plus b is greater than 60. In that case we will output 4. So yeah, this was a pretty straightforward question, and if you have any doubt, please leave them in the comments below. And yeah, thank you.